Packing for an overland trip looks simple until you're knee-deep in gear, arguing with your water tank, and realizing you packed your headlamp under your fridge again. Today I'm breaking down exactly how we pack for an overland trip, the systems, the organization, the logic, and how to keep your rig from slowly turning into a rolling disaster. If you're new to overlanding or gearing up for your first trip, by the end of this video, you'll feel completely confident packing your rig the right way. Most people start by randomly grabbing their gear and playing Tetris in their trunk. We start with systems. Because systems tell you what to pack, how to pack it, and why it matters. Having a system also ensures that you can repeat the process over and over again and arrive at the same result. Everything we pack fits into one of these. If it doesn't belong in a system, it usually doesn't belong in the car. If you're confused or on the fence about whether to carry a specific piece of gear, you can ask yourself a simple question. Can I sleep well with this? Can I cook a full meal with these basics? Do I have enough water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning? Can this get me unstuck and back home? When you think in systems instead of random objects, packing becomes predictable. You're not guessing. You're ensuring every function of your trip is covered. The next rule: organize your gear based on when and how fast you need to set it up. Because nothing kills the vibe faster than digging for your awning in the dark while the rain politely destroys your soul. Here's how we break it down. These are items you need instantly and should be at an arm's length. If you have to move 3 storage boxes to reach your headlamp, you've already failed. This is everything you need as soon as you arrive at camp. It should be reachable without unpacking your entire rig. These are your just-in-case items. You don't need them every day, but if and when you do, they better be somewhere stable, secured, and accessible. I like to think of this as hierarchy packing. Your gear sits exactly where your trip needs it, not where it happens to fit. This is where the magic or chaos can happen. Packing your vehicle isn't about space, it's about sequence. If you need your tent before your kitchen, don't bury the tent under the kitchen. It sounds obvious, yet I've done it more times than I'd like to admit. Always make sure to maximize the space available in your rig. Keep critical items such as your sleep system, food, and any electronics within the cabin. Use the roof rack for gear that can take a beating from the elements and does not need to be at an arm's reach. Think recovery boards and fire pits. Also try and utilize dead space such as the spare tire area. This is where we keep our recovery gear in these Sidewinder Warrior bags from 4X Tierra. These act like packing peanuts, except useful. They protect gear, stop rattling, and help maximize space. When everything is packed, we do what I like to call the Pitstop test. If I can reach everything I need for camp in under 60 seconds, it's packed right. If not, time to rethink. After years of camping and vehicle-based travel, páramos, deserts, jungles, here are a few final lessons. Differentiate your boxes. You can either color code them or label them, but cooking, tools, sleep system, simple, perfect, and saves your sanity. Keep the cabin clean. A messy cabin equals a messy mind. And overlanding already gives you enough existential crisis. Store water where it can't leak onto anything important. Quite self-explanatory, yet I've learnt it the hard way. Keep a dedicated spot for your essentials. Rain jacket, snacks, headlamp, toilet paper, your emergency essentials. And finally, do not overpack. You don't need everything. You need the right things in the right places. That is how we pack for an overland trip. Start with systems, organize for ease, pack with logic, and make your rig work with you, not against you. And now, I want to hear from you. What's your packing strategy? What's the one item you always bring on an overland trip? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more overland therapy. And I'll see you on the road or off it.